We targeted this vehicle to overperform in all areas. This is going to be an absolute quality, reliability, durability win. So this is not a floaty, kind of rides all over the road. It's a very precise handling car. So customers, I think, will feel pretty confident with it. This car will be very much European-like ride and handling, very different than the compacts that we've had in the segment in the past. There's a lot of people that think that to be successful with a passenger car, and particularly a compact car, you have to follow the market leader, who is Honda. We think we've come up with a better mousetrap, quite frankly. We use a Z-Link suspension. The car is very solid and stable. You don't get a lot of body roll. You don't get a lot of gross vehicle motions. It's a very solid, stable, confident ride. We did test the vehicle across the world, and that's largely because it's a global car. Everywhere we went with the car, where we started to test it in a new location, we learned new things. And those new things have all been baked into the Cruze that's coming to North America. We've gone through extensive durability testing with this car. There was about 600,000 equivalent miles worth of structural durability, 1 million miles worth of general durability. That all equates to about 4 million durability miles. And this is before customers ever, sat in the seat. People are interested in a car that they can keep for a long period of time. They can pass down to their children and know that it's going to be there and it's going to start every morning when they go to work.